By linking Google Analytics to Firebase and Google Ads, you can utilize powerful tools to analyze how successful your Google Ads campaigns are. Hello, I'm Uzair and thanks for watching this video. Firebase is software development kit app and analytics tool found within Google Ads. By connecting this to your Google Ads dashboard, you will get access to tools that will help you to improve your campaign's performance. Benefits. Once Firebase is connected to your Google Ads account, you can import conversions from Firebase without having to input new code. You can also use audiences that have created within Google Analytics or Firebase. How it works. Firebase has been built as a mobile platform which can be used to quickly develop and create apps. This software makes it easy to see how your apps are performing. Once the accounts have been linked, you will have access to your Google Ads data for the app and web pages and can use the conversions to track and remarket within Google Ads. Firebase conversion tracking. Importing conversions directly from Google Analytics or Firebase will help you to see whether your spend within Google Ads is driving app installs and in-app actions. You will be able to monitor the performance of your ads and make any changes needed to drive the goals for your app. Firebase and remarketing. Once linked to Google Analytics, you can also use audiences that you have created within Firebase for remarketing campaigns in Google Ads. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for joining in and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye for now.